Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Miracles happen when you forgive. You are born with the capacity to forgive, but you learn the opposite behavior. You learn not to forgive, you practice not to forgive, and you master not to forgive. When you learn to let go of your pride and ask for forgiveness, miracles start to happen in your life. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 99, NASDAQ up 43, S&P's up 12, gold contract up $9, trading at $1,260 an ounce. Silver up 27 cents at $17.65 an ounce. Platinum down $8, $9.61 an ounce. Copper up 3 pennies at $2.19 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1.36, $51.18 a barrel. Bonds, 10-year note down 9 ticks, 129.25. 30-year bond up 23 ticks, 164.06. King dollar up 256 ticks, trading at 96.91. The euro is at $1.11, and the yen is at 103.66. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so you get the Columbus Day holiday. Bottom line, banks are closed, markets open, no volume. The SPY hit a high today of $216.70. Bottom line, have volume out here of 37 million. SPY can't get out of its own way. That's the bottom line. Not even close. Dow Industrials, same setup in the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials out here got to a price point today of $18,399. It's trying to make it into the September 9th downdraft once again, which is 18,404. Now, that being said, I expect it's going to try to make it in there again tomorrow. Why? Well, if we go over to the NQs first, if we look at the 3Qs, what you're going to see at 3Qs is this. You have 16 million shares traded. The September 22nd high is $119.22, and you're over it. If we look at the futures, we go into the futures of the NDX 100. What you're going to see is that we're at 48.98. And you're talking about 48.92. That it's getting taken out. It's 6 points over it. It has been as many as 9 points over it. I expect that's going to run again tomorrow. It is lighter volume. The reason I expect it's going to run is that it's waiting for its buddy at the composite. The composite thus far hasn't made it. The NASDAQ composite, which is all the stocks inside the NASDAQ. The composite right now is trading at 53.36. It got to a high of 53.40. The high is 53.42. I expect it's going to hit it. We'll see whether it's a failure or not once it gets up to that level. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here is trading sideways. You're up $9. You've done 126,000 contracts. You're at 1261. Bottom line, as long as gold stays inside Brexit Day of June 24th, which is the 1259, that'll build cause to get up into the 1305 level where it broke down from again. The real question with gold is it going to build cause and get up to its strength, or is it going to go up there with anemic volume and building another ABC structure on the way down? Silver is stronger than gold out here, actually given a bit more information. Silver was the first one to get underneath Brexit, went underneath the 1725 area, rejected it, had lighter volume on the rejection. You're at 1765. I expect silver's going to make that run up to 1856 also. Bonds, we go into the note market first. Notes and bonds, both cases, they're testing their lows. The low that we're talking about is the swing low that was generated out here on the 13th of September, which is 129.26. Right now, you're at 129.25. I expect you're going to see a rejection of this overnight tonight. We'll see where it shakes out. It's right there. It's coming into that area. Lighter volume. Yes, banks are closed, so it slows down the bond trading. No doubt about that. But bottom line, plenty of times I've seen this. When they come in with lighter volume, this is when, bottom line, they'll make bottoms. 30-year. 30-year is going to have to get a little juice. The swing low that we're talking about on the 30-year is 164.13. We're at 164.06. We'll see how this shakes out tonight, but I do expect that that's what we're going to get. King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? King Dollar out here has 15,000 contracts, up 266 ticks. You're at 96.92, and I suspect probably overnight King Dollar is going to go test the 97.21 area. 97.21 was the high of Friday. We'll see whether it can make it, meaning make it with volume. King Dollar was coming into the downdraft that had been created out here on July 27th and 28th, and it's right next to the swing point of 97.61. And my take right now is that it's actually not going to make that swing point because of the amount of energy that came out of the market, meaning the dollar going up, metals going down, gold going down, silver going down, all of the above. That was very fast movement. When you have that much, when the markets move that fast, they basically lose their energy, and you have to build cars in order to get to higher price once again. The yen, we go take a look at the yen. What you have with the yen out here, the yen right now is trading at 103.65. Bottom line, we'll see whether it can get into this 104.32 area. 104.32 was the swing point from September 2nd. We got to 104.16 last Thursday night. And so the yen's going to be a wild card out here. The euro, we take a look at the euro. The euro right now is trading at $1.11, and the lower end of this range is $1.1123. And we're at 111.37. Oil, what do we have with oil? Oil catches a bid. Oil's over the $50 mark. Has the juice behind the move to 608,000 contracts on oil. We're at 51.20, and with game is out here. You get the swing point at 52. You get the largest swing point at 52.39. And if we take this and let's put this on a continuous contract. Okay, so I bring this back a week. Bring it back. I put it on a weekly rather than bringing it back a couple of years. So, notice the big number. Okay, so check it out. So if we launched 51.67, you're going to see a real launch in oil. Oh, this is going to be a trip. Okay, so 51.67 on a continuous contract, folks, is it. You launch that, and guess what? Oil will be up at 61.82, and then we'll see what the market thinks about that. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials right now up 93. Nasdaq's up 40. S&Ps are up 11. We're going to be right back.